Hello students. Today, let's understand the continuity equation. This equation is based on the law of conservation of mass. It means mass can neither be created nor destroyed. Consider a pipe with two sections. At section 1, velocity is equal to v1, density is equal to ρ1, area is equal to a1. At section 2, velocity is equal to v2, density is equal to ρ2, area is equal to a2. When a fluid flows through a pipe, the mass flow rate remains the same at all sections. Mathematically, m1 by time is equal to m2 by time. ρ1 into volume 1 by time is equal to ρ2 into volume 2 by time. As we know, mass is equal to ρ into volume. Volume by time can be written as Q, where Q means discharge. Therefore ρ1 into Q1 is equal to ρ2 into Q2. We know Q is equal to area into velocity. Therefore the above equation can be written as ρ1 into area 1 into velocity 1 is equal to ρ2 into area 2 into velocity 2. For an incompressible fluid like water, density is constant. That is, ρ1 is equal to ρ2. So the equation becomes a1v1 equals a2v2. This means, when area decreases, velocity increases. That's the continuity equation. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe.